have this lovely machine working again, I'm gonna start cleaning it. First thing I want to do is remove the ribbon spools. That's not too difficult. Just gonna lock it into red. Putting a shift lock on. So the ribbon vibrator goes up in the highest possible position. And let's see if I can just jam two bars together. Like so. There we go. This is a very white ribbon, so I'm gonna have some fun sourcing a new one. Of course, there we go. Voila! Step 1. Now I'm going to remove the entire typebasket or typewriter core. Well, the engineers who made this machine made it very easy, and I'm very happy they did, because first you remove your color selector key, your turn key, your tabulator key, then you put the shift lock on, and then on the side you have these knobs. You can just turn them and then they should come out. That's one. And the other side, there's another one. That's two. And now I should be able to just take the entire thing out. Well, at least I hope so. It's a bit stuck. Oh, here it comes. There's even, and this is really cool. Over here, there's a system that when you pull it out, it's gonna lower the type basket. You can just put your fingers behind these, and then you can just push it out like that. See? It completely slides over everything. Lift it up a bit. There we go. That's that. Nice look behind. Gonna make it a lot easier to clean this thing. I am going to at some point put some dry lubricant with PTFE on these rails, so it slides out a little bit easier. And I'm also gonna look into this hammer. Slight bend probably fixes it, but then that bell is gonna sound a bit better than what it does now. That's not a happy bell sound. So I don't want to damage this gorgeous front plate when I'm gonna clean the keys and the slugs. So I'm gonna take it off. It's held in place with 5 screws. There are these tiny black screws over here, one over here, one in the middle over there, and one all the way on the other side over there. It's difficult to see, so I'm gonna start taking those out first. These are already looped with some penetrating oil. The middle one is a bit tricky to get to. There we go. Also tricky to see when it's not in front of you. We have this one over here on the side. And then it's just a matter of these two bigger ones. This one. That's number 2, and now I should be able to lift this out. Right, getting the platen out doesn't seem to be working, so now I'm gonna focus my attention to trying to get this metal plate off. First, you'll need to get these metal balls off on each side. I already doused everything with penetrating oil. There we go. This should come off just like that. Something else I noticed about this machine is that it has a very peculiar hook over here, which makes me, it gives me reason to believe that the platen comes off, well, not the platen, the entire carriage can come off rather easily. So let's see if that's the case. On the other side of the carriage there is this little stop over here, which I'm now going to remove. There we go. Now to remove the carriage, there's also this little thing that will block. We need to push this like this, so you have a little bit of free space over here. Now I think I should be able to remove the entire thing, and that hook is gonna latch on. Then I'm gonna need to see that I can catch the truck that's gonna come out probably. There we go. The drawband is now disconnected. The truck still stays in place apparently. Yeah, the truck stays where it should be. That's nice. That's a cool feature. Now I can just shimmy this off. There we go. So I wasn't able to get the platen out, but this way I can pretty much access a lot of things as well. Oh, small success. And here you can see where the drawband hooked up. And this truck is apparently still has some limiter, which is great. Alright, time to clean this machine. It desperately needs a cleaning, doesn't it?